Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to pay Google Play without credit card. So if you guys don't have a credit card and want to purchase an apps probably in Google Play, I'm going to show you how you can make the payment. So open the Google Play Store and then for example, I want to uh, buy some app, so I'm going to buy this app. So just click on the amount of the apps and you'll find the method here. If you want to change the payment method, you can just click on this. Just wait. Okay, so as you can see here, there are other payment methods that you can use besides the credit card. So if you don't have this, you can use the other payment method here. And as you can see here, I'm using the e-wallet here for my payment method, so it's not a problem if you don't have a credit card. And if you done with the purchase, just click on one tap buy. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope this video will help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye.